Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're checking out a floor cleaning powerhouse, the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop S8001. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing your hard floors, this all-in-one steam mop is here to make cleaning faster, easier, and more hygienic. The Shark Steam and Scrub combines powerful steam cleaning with active scrubbing for a deep clean that lifts dirt, grime, and sticky messes effortlessly. Its LED headlights illuminate dust and debris on your floor so you don't miss a spot, making it perfect for under furniture or dim corners. The XL water tank allows for longer cleaning sessions without constant refills, a real game changer for large spaces. Included with the mop are 4 dirt grip soft scrub pads, designed to scrub tough messes without scratching your floors. These pads are easy to attach, remove, and wash, ensuring that your mop stays fresh and ready for every cleaning session. The Mop S swivel steering adds exceptional maneuverability, letting you glide around furniture and tight spaces with ease. Safety and convenience are key. The Shark Steam and Scrub heats up quickly and kills 99.9% of bacteria and germs on hard floors, so your home isn't just clean, it's sanitized. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue, making it ideal for everyday use, and its ergonomic handle adds comfort for extended cleaning. Whether it's tile, sealed hardwood, or laminate floors, this steam mop adapts to multiple surfaces and tackles stubborn stains without harsh chemicals. It's a perfect blend of efficiency, safety, and eco-friendly cleaning. In short, if you want sparkling clean floors without the elbow grease, the Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop S8001 is an absolute must-have for any home. Don't forget to buy yours on Amazon, and make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more reviews of the latest home cleaning gadgets.